In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put files into Google Drive, a simple but powerful tool for managing and sharing your digital life. Google Drive offers a few different methods for uploading files and folders, making it easy to access your documents from anywhere. Let's walk through the steps together, ensuring you feel confident and efficient in managing your files. First, you'll want to head over to drive.google.com in your web browser. This is your main hub for all things Google Drive. Once you're there, you'll be presented with the web interface that gives you access to all your existing files and folders. This is also where you'll go to upload new content. A popular method to upload files using your web browser is by utilizing the plus new button, conveniently located in the top left corner of your screen. When you click on this button, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu provides you with two primary options for uploading: file upload if you want to add a single file, and folder upload if you're looking to upload an entire folder. Let's say you want to upload a document, select file upload and then navigate to find that file on your computer. On the other hand, selecting folder upload will allow you to choose an entire folder to upload in one go. This is especially useful for keeping collections of documents or media organized. Once you've chosen your file or folder, it will start uploading to your drive and you'll see a progress indicator at the bottom of your window. Once completed, the file will appear right in your drive, ready for you to access or share as needed. If you're the type who likes to keep things even simpler, you might prefer the drag and drop method. For this, you need to open the specific folder on your drive where you'd like the files to go, then locate the files or the folder on your own computer. By simply clicking, holding and dragging those items over to the browser window and dropping them in, you achieve the same uploading outcome. The file uploads automatically and appears in the destination folder. Using Google Drive's drag and drop or the web interface upload, you can seamlessly store and manage your documents and ensure they are backed up in the cloud. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who loves keeping a digital diary of life's moments, these steps will help you keep everything organized and accessible. Thanks for joining me on this quick guide on uploading files to Google Drive, and happy organizing!